So let us start with question number 9. Page number is a 306. 9, sorry, 10. 9 तो हो गया अपना. It is Sagar. Okay, drawn a bill, an after side bill. Underline the wording after side bill on 21st November 2019. Okay, for 21,000 at 3 months. 3 महीने का बिल निकाला है प्रसाद के ऊपर. The bill is directly drawn. मतलब there is no purchase sale transaction. तो अगर लेजर अकाउंट बनता है तो वहां पे either to balance या by balance आने वाला है. Okay, normally in the books of drawer it is coming as a by to balance brought down. Okay, और drawee के इसमें आएगा by balance brought down. Please remember this. I am going to explain this particular point more. The bill is discounted by Sagar at 8% per annum with his bank. ये बिल सागर ने डिस्काउंट किया है तो we are going to calculate 3 months discount at the rate 8% per annum. On maturity, Prasad finds himself unable to make the payment of the bill and requests Sagar to renew it. तो बिल renew करना है. Okay. तो मैं आपको प्रोफार्मा एंट्रीज बताता हूँ. एंट्री नंबर आएगा पहले नंबर 2, बाद में 3. वहां पे आप ये जो आपके पास बुक है ना, इसके ऊपर जो जगह है ना, वहां पे आप लिख सकते हो 2, 3. ओके, मतलब पहला एंट्री आएगा नंबर 2 का बिल ड्रॉन का, फिर नंबर 3 का बिल डिस्काउंटेड. देन देयर आफ्टर 8B. 8B स्टैंड्स फॉर व्हाट? द बिल इज डिस्काउंटेड एंड डिसऑनर्ड. ओके, मतलब इस तरह से आपको लिखना है. पहले 2, देन 3, देन 8B. प्रोफार्मा एंट्रीज नंबर आर देयर. मैं बता रहा हूँ. Then what happened? Sagar accepts the request and draws a new bill at 1 month for 21,750. लेकिन बेसिक अमाउंट 21,000 है ना, तो 750 एक्स्ट्रा क्यों? That is for the purpose of interest, including interest. तो यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट कितना आने वाला है? 750. ओके, तो 750 को अंडरलाइन करो और इंटरेस्ट को अंडरलाइन करो तो आपको पता चलेगा. यहाँ पे एंट्री आने वाला है. ये एंट्री जो आएगा, दिस इज 8C. नहीं सॉरी 9C, क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट चार्ज किया ना हमने. ओके, which were duly accepted by Prasad. Sagar deposits the bill into bank for collection. It is sent to bank for collection. The new bill is sent to bank for collection. Here the entry number is 5. Prasad honors the bill on the due date and bank charges 250 rupees as the bank charges paid. So actually these are called as the bank charges. You can also say collection charges. जो भी है बैंक ने अपना 250 रुपए लगा दिया भाई as a expenditure. What is the requirement? Is very important. Requirement क्या है? Pass necessary journal entries in the books of Sagar. लेकिन सागर कौन है? मैंने ब्रैकेट में लिखा है drawer. Person who draws the bill is called as a drawer. और प्रसाद कौन है? प्रसाद is a drawee of course. And what is given further? Prepare Sagar's account in the books of Prasad. मतलब देखो हम इस तरह से करने वाले हैं. ड्रॉवर का आएगा जर्नल और ड्रॉवी का आएगा लेजर, जिसमें ड्रॉवर का अकाउंट बनेगा. जर्नल ऑफ सागर एंड सागर्स अकाउंट इन द बुक्स ऑफ प्रसाद. So Prasad की जो entries है, that we will write in the rough to make the posting comfortable for you. Okay. Now let us begin with the date. Date wise जाते हैं. Okay. So पहला 21st November 2019. यहाँ पे मैंने डेट का कॉलम बहुत छोटा बनाया है, वैसे भी उसका ज्यादा कुछ काम नहीं होता. तो 21st November. The first entry when the bill is drawn. Bills receivable account debit. In the books of drawer, bills receivable account debit to Prasad account. Prasad account. And the amount of bill is 21,000. 21,000. Narration I am telling orally, you please write. Being the bill drawn for amount due, being the bill drawn for amount due. Okay. Now for Sagar, the bill is receivable, but for Prasad, the bill is payable. So Prasad will pass the entry. I am writing the entries in the rough. That is the Sagar account debit to bills payable. Sagar account debit to bills payable. So the posting here 2019, okay, 21st November. So here it is two bills payable. Two bills payable. And amount is 21,000. Okay. Now when the problem is, in the problem it is directly given that is bill is drawn. Okay, purchase sale दिया ही नहीं है बिल्कुल. Okay. तो यहाँ अपोजिट साइड में आपको लिखना है 2019 21st November, right at the bar balance brought down. मतलब मैंने बिल क्यों निकाला? Why the bill is drawn? Because the amount is basically due. Okay. मैंने किसी के ऊपर ऐसे ही बिल निकाल दिया. Okay. मान के चलो तो ये तीशा के ऊपर मैंने 10 लाख रुपए का बिल निकाल दिया. कुछ लेना देना कुछ नहीं है. ओके. क्या वो साइन करेगी? बोलेगी मैं नहीं साइन करूंगी. ओके. So unless there is a transaction, the bill will not be drawn. Okay. Now next, what happened? On the same date. Okay. Look at the problem, please. The bill is discounted by Sagar at 8% per annum. 8% per annum. चलो डिस्काउंट कैलकुलेट करते हैं. 21,000 divided by 100 into 8 upon 1. Okay. Into 3 upon 12. What do you mean by this? 8 is a percentage. 3 months है ना. So 3 upon 12. Okay. Now how to calculate this? कैसा calculate करें समझा? Okay. 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8, and 200 into 2, so it is becoming 420. So that is the amount of a discount. But here you must take care. Sometimes it is given that the bill is discounted after 1 month. मतलब 3 महीने का बिल है, 1 महीना होने के बाद बिल डिस्काउंट किया, तो फिर आपको डिस्काउंट 2 महीने का कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. Here it is not given like this. Here it is immediately discounted. So actually 420 मतलब 21,000 minus 420, the remaining amount is received by us, that is 20,580. अब आपको एंट्री नंबर 3 लेना पड़ेगा. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 20,580. डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट 420. तो bills receivable account, bills receivable account 21,000. So this is the entry to be taken for discounting of the bill. Entry तो वही रहता है, amount change होता है. Okay. Narration. Being bill discounted at the rate 8% per annum. Being the bill discounted at the rate 8% per annum. For drawee will not pass any entry for this. देखो drawee है ना, 3 cases में कोई entry pass नहीं करेगा. The bill is discounted, the bill is endorsed, or the bill is sent to bank for collection. Okay, no entry. He will say no entry like this. So no entry, no posting. फिर क्या हुआ? Look at the problem. On maturity. अब maturity का मतलब होता है on the due date. अब यहाँ पे और कोई डेट दिया ही नहीं है. What is the date of the bill? Is 21st November. 21st November. That is 21/11/2019. How many months are given to you? 3 months. Okay. And how many grace days are to be taken? 3. So you are getting the answer. Okay, 14. असं कुठं आंसर येतं का? ओके, अभी होगा क्या देखो, ये 3 महीने का अगर आपने इसमें मिला दिया तो 14 कभी होता नहीं है. What do you mean by this? Actually, it is crossing 12 months. No, so it is becoming February. Or you can say like this. मोटा नहीं count करा. 21st November, 21st December, 1 month. 21st December, 21st January, 2nd month. 21st January, 21st February, 3rd month, plus 3 days. So your answer is 24th February. February और year भी change होने वाला है 2020 year change होगा ना. So what happened on that date? Prasad said he is unable to make the payment of the bill and he requested to renew the bill. लेकिन renew करने के लिए पुराना बिल कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा. कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा मतलब डिसऑनर करना पड़ेगा. डिसऑनर के लिए आपको यहाँ पे एंट्री लेना है on 24th February 2020. Okay, the entry is Prasad. Prasad is a drawee. Prasad को पहले पकड़ो. Prasad account debit 21,000 to bank. To bank account 21,000. It is given that Prasad account debit to bank account. Okay, narration. Being the bill cancelled. Being the bill cancelled. हमने bill क्या किया है? Cancel किया है. Okay, what Prasad will do? Prasad will take a opposite entry. Prasad काय करणार? उलटी करणार. अशी तरी उलटीच केलेली आहे. बिल पास न करून, बरोबर? उलटी एंट्री पास करणार. He will pass the opposite entry. Bills payable to Sagar. So 2020, 24th of February, it is by bills payable. By bills payable 21,000. Okay, then what happened? फिर क्या हुआ? Actually, this Sagar, okay, having the condition that I will draw the new bill, no problem, but I will draw with interest. So अभी interest कितना charge किया? 750. So we are going to take the entry. See, for Sagar, who is a drawer, for him the interest is an income. So the entry for that is a Prasad account debit. Prasad को debit करो क्योंकि हमने उसको interest charge किया 750 to interest account 750. Prasad to interest 750. Narration, being interest charged. Being interest charged. Here, for him it is a loss. He will give the debit, interest account debit to Sagar. Interest to Sagar. So posting here is a by interest. By interest 750. Now the new bill. Okay, bills receivable account debit. Bills receivable account debit 21,750 to Prasad. अब नया जो बिल निकलेगा, that is along with interest. The new bill is along with interest. New bill along with interest. Being new bill drawn with interest. being new bill drawn with interest. Here entry for accepting the bill is Sagar to bills payable. Sagar account debit to bills payable account. And the posting उसका डेट आएगा 2020 24 February. To bills payable. To bills payable. 21750. So look at the problem. What is given further? Sagar sent the bill to bank for collection. Sagar ने क्या किया? Sagar deposits the bill to bank for collection. Bank for collection के लिए bill भेज दिया. So the entry for that, one special account is operated called as a bank for collection account debit. Bank for collection account debit. Same amount 21,750 to bills receivable account. Bills receivable account. Bank for collection account debit to bills receivable account. Okay. Being bill sent to bank for collection. Being bill sent to bank for collection. No entry here. मतलब प्रसाद कोई एंट्री नहीं पास करेगा because प्रसाद is a drawee and drawee says no entry. In 3 cases, drawee will not pass an entry. Discounting of the bill, endorsement of the bill and bill sent to bank for collection. मैंने प्रोफार्मा एंट्रीज आपको दिया है, आप देख सकते हो वहां पे. Okay, then what happened? Okay, look at the problem please. Pramod honors the bill on the due date. Okay, and the bank charges are 250. ये बैंक चार्जेस के लिए हमको अलग एंट्री पास करना पड़ेगा, ऑनर के लिए अलग एंट्री पास करना पड़ेगा. नाउ हियर द एंट्री विल बी 7C एंट्री आएगा. 7C. ओके, मतलब कौन सा एंट्री आने वाला है? दैट इज बिल सेंट टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन एंड ऑनर्ड. बिल क्या हो गया? ऑनर हो गया. ओके, नाउ हियर द एंट्री विल बी टेकन. द ड्यू डेट पहले कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. द सेकंड बिल इज ऑफ 1 month. 24th February to 24th March plus 3 days. 27th March. My birthday. Okay. So entry for that is a bank account debit. Okay. Bank account debit to bank for collection account. Bank account debit to bank for collection account. Amount is 21,750. Narration. Being the bill honored. Being the bill honored. यहाँ पे एंट्री आएगा. That is the bills payable account debit to cash or bank. Bills payable to cash or bank. लेकिन इसका इफेक्ट ये अकाउंट में नहीं आने वाला because there is no सागर अकाउंट. सागर अकाउंट वहां पे नहीं है. एंड नाउ द लास्ट वन, द बैंक चार्जेस. देखो अभी बैंक ने हमारे लिए कुछ काम किया है ना, हमारे लिए पैसा प्रसाद से वसूल किया है. ओके, तो हमारे लिए बैंक है वसूली, मिस्टर वसूली. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमको पैसा मिल गया, तो बैंक इज गोइंग टू चार्ज सम मनी. एंड व्हाट आर द बैंक चार्जेस? आर 250. For that purpose, only Sagar will write the entry. Bank charges, also called as the collection charges. Account debit to bank account. Bank charges account debit to bank account. Bank charges account nominal account. It is our expenditure debited. While बैंक अकाउंट हमारा वो रियल अकाउंट है, उतना पैसा कम हो गया, हमारा बैलेंस कम हो गया, बैंक बैलेंस इज रिड्यूस्ड. Okay, so bank account is credited, goes out credited. ओके ये एंट्री वहां पे कोई चांस नहीं है। प्रसाद क्यों बैंक चार्जेस भरेगा? नथिंग डूइंग, तो नो एंट्री देयर। अभी आप पहले जर्नल का टोटल करो। नरेशन बी, बैंक चार्जेस चार्ज्ड बाय बैंक, बैंक चार्जेस चार्ज बाय बैंक। The journal total is 1,29,250. अब लेजर का टोटल करो, इट शुड गेट क्लोज, ये अकाउंट क्लोज होना चाहिए, and it is getting closed by 42,750. 42,750. Okay. Listen to me. Now I'm not going to solve number 11 from this because that is something different. वो थोड़ा सा एक कुछ अलग problem है, वो हम लोग नहीं solve करेंगे because that is a different type of the problem. Okay. Right now, so write one problem as a practice problem which we are going to solve. It is given out of your notes. जो मैंने आपको नोट्स दिया है उसमें से हम ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, प्रैक्टिकल प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 है ये। नंबर 1 राइट प्लीज। हितेश सोल्ड गुड्स, हितेश आपको डिक्टेशन लेना है। हितेश सोल्ड गुड्स फॉर पीस 4,500 टू अशोक on 1st January 2010, 1st January 2010, and drew upon him a bill of exchange, and drew upon him a bill of exchange for 2 months after sight. Ashok accepted the bill. Ashok accepted the bill. On the due date, bill was met by Ashok. On the due date, bill was met. MET, met, मतलब honored by Ashok. Record journal entries in the books of Hitesh. Hitesh. According to following cases. मतलब आपको केसेस से हिसाब से एंट्री पास करनी है। नंबर 1, the bill is retained by Hitesh. The bill is retained. Retained का स्पेलिंग अच्छी तरह से लिखो, RETAINED, retained मतलब kept by Hitesh, मतलब उसने अपने पॉकेट में रखा। नंबर 2, Hitesh discounted the bill at the rate 15% per annum. हितेश ने बिल बैंक में डिस्काउंट किया है at the rate 15% per annum. 15% per annum. Number 3, three days before the due date, Hitesh sent the bill to bank for collection. Hitesh sent the bill to bank for collection. And the last, number 4, the bill was endorsed to Venkat. Venkat. Bill was endorsed to Venkat. Okay. Anyway, I'm now requesting you to prepare a full page journal, okay, of Hitesh, मैं अभी लेक्चर कंक्लूड मतलब रोकने वाला हूँ, ओके। और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, नेक्स्ट सेशन में आपको मैं ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके दिखा